Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to create a real account on MetaTrader 5. So make sure you watch the video until the very end. First of all, open your MetaTrader 5 application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're inside your main home page, and once you are, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, tap on Manage Accounts at the top. Now, click on the plus button at the top right hand corner and find a broker for yourself by searching it in the search box at the top. You will need to select a broker that offers a real trading account. If you already have a broker in mind, you can proceed with their platform by typing down their name. Once you type in the name of your broker, select it and then on the next page, tap on Open a Real Account. Now, enter your first name, your last name, middle name if available, and then make sure to enter your date of birth, phone number, email address, and other information. After you are done, under Account Information, tap on the account type and select the account type, and finally tap Next at the bottom. You will need to enter additional information such as your address, identify your personal documents such as passport, proof of residence, driver license or ID. Make sure to provide all of those information in the text boxes. Make sure to upload your document by choosing one of the identification documents from the list. Finally, tap on Accept and tap on Register at the bottom in order to open up a real account for MetaTrader 5. After you apply for that, you will need to wait for your account approval. Once your account is approved, you will need to deposit funds into your trading account, and once your account is funded, you can now start trading on MetaTrader 5 with real money. So that is how you should be able to create a real account on MetaTrader 5. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.